Hello guys, welcome back to campus. Hope you all are enjoying our videos. So in previous video we have seen about the Ubintex brand, under which we have discussed about the terminal blocks, its types and various applications. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the different types of Ubintex connectors, which will definitely help you in your industrial applications.
Let us show you the different types of Ubintex connectors. So first one is wire to board connector, which is used in automotive, industrial, lighting and displays application. Then second one is SMA connectors, which is used in handheld radio and mobile telephone antennas. Then third one is SIM card holders, which is allowed to hold, protect, classify and use your SIMs as per your need. Then fourth one is USB connectors. So in uppermost row you can see the different types of USB connectors that are connected via USB, that include computer keyboards and mic, then video cameras, printers, portable media players, etc. Below the USB connector you can see automotive connector relay. So automotive connectors set up a bridge of communication between blocked and isolated circuits. Then last one is we have a EV charging gun also, which is used in electrical vehicle applications.
These were the various types of Ubintex connectors which is available in campus component. To buy, do visit our website www.campuscomponent.com, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to our channel. Bye bye.